Marichyasana A, the pose of a sage, Marichi. So if you have a stiffer student, you're going to have them leverage their arm against the leg and lengthen their spine. And you can just bring your thigh to the back of their leg and just help them open up here to keep the spine long. A more flexible student will be able to reach around and make the connection, or maybe they'll need to use a strap to help them make the connection. From here, we want to encourage them to keep their hips level. So you can descend the front femur bone and then hold at the shin of the bent knee and draw it back slightly. This will help firm the hips in and stabilize them so they can elongate on their own. Marichyasana A, pose of a sage, Marichi.